Alright, here we are at the next day, still getting it done. And you can tell I did not come dressed to work today. I'm just an observer today. Well, it's coming along. We're gonna take all this down. Alrighty. Almost got the siding complete. I'll get a shot of that in a minute. And remember, always let the metal guys take the metal. Save you some money on these dumps. Coming right along over here. Alright, so here's day 2 coming to an end. Got getting some of the siding done here. We gutted this out, new door up front, new windows. And this whole side done. See how much we get done tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Here we are, Sunday morning, and I am exhausted on my way to work, man. I need a day off just to get some rest, and then a second day off just to catch up on my chores. Yes, another wonderful day. Even if I'm exhausted, even if I got some problems, still gotta be grateful. Grateful for another wonderful day. Grateful to have the privilege to ride a Harley everywhere. Now, let's see what we got going on over here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my signature drink. Frozen coffee and Kahlua. It's the best every morning. Alrighty, getting this next truck loaded. Don't have the dump truck today, but when you don't have a dump truck, rent a U-Haul. Another beautiful Sunday. Hoorah! Man's work. Hoorah! Oh, I love my job. So if you win the 5 boroughs and you need siding, capping, roofing, chimney, these guys do a great job, man. Just give them a call. They did this entire house in 3, maybe 4 days.
Never know. You never know.
You've seen at the beginning of the video how this looked, man. With 4 days work, these are the guys to call, man. Got my recommendation. They got all their own trucks, all their own stuff. They clean up after. Can't ask some more than that, man.
Oh, it's arriba.
You know, I worked very hard to get to this point, man, where I could sit back and watch other people work. I started off for $60 a day just unloading trucks and kept working harder and harder until you can climb your way up, man. There's always a way. You just gotta get off your ass and do it. All right, so now we just get the finishing touches done in the morning. It's coming along just fine, man. Definitely looks a lot better than it did. Time for the ride home. Alrighty, well this has been another pleasant work day. And we'll be back there tomorrow just to finish up the last of it. Oh, we got this done pretty quick. Alright, so they finished up the siding and came out damn good, right, man? Looks like a whole different house. Not bad for 4 long days of work, right? Well, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, please hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. Feel free to comment. It really helps, not just for the YouTube algorithm, but helps motivate me to publish, you know, publish a new video. Every time I see another like, comment, subscription, it really motivates me. So thank you guys. It really helps knowing that at least some people find this content enjoyable. So until next time, this is your host, Don of All Sorts, and I'll see you guys in the next video.